Here's some easy steps to follow for setting up your Philips Hue lights over Bluetooth using your smartphone. One of the reasons Philips Hue lights are a top pick is that they're easy to connect to over Bluetooth and don't require a bridge. So let's go over how to set them up. After getting it out of the package, screw your Philips Hue bulb into any light fixture that is compatible with an A19 sized bulb. For this demo, we're using a basic pendant light that uses the same E27 screw thread, but these steps will apply anywhere. Make sure the bulb is screwed in securely without over-tightening it. Next, grab your phone and download the Philips Hue Bluetooth app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Be sure to have your phone's Bluetooth on in order for the app to see your bulb. Once it's installed, open the app, and if you are comfortable with it, allow security permissions that pop up. Touch Get Started and accept the terms. Some of these steps may be in a different order on an Android phone. Next, you can sign into your Philips Hue account, create a new one, or skip this step. The benefits of using the app with a Hue account are increased security and the ability to control lights when you're away from home with a Hue bridge, among others. But for this example, we're going to skip this step. Hit No on the next screen to proceed without an account. On the next screen, you can choose to customize the app so it suggests different default light scenes based on your use. In this example, we're going to choose Don't Summarize. The next two screens ask permission to receive marketing materials from Philips. Hit Yes at your own risk. Then click Start Setup. In this example, we're going to set up without a Hue bridge. So on this screen, we're hitting No. On the next screen, the app asks about adding lights. Here, we're going to hit Yes. After that, there is one more screen to connect to Philips Marketing. Fill this in, but keep the switch unflipped to opt out. Then hit Next. Then, on the next screen, you can choose whether or not to use a voice assistant with your new lights. For this demo, we're going to choose Not Right Now. On the next screen, hit Add Light. Hit Allow on the next screen in order to let the Hue app discover your lights. The app will automatically search for nearby Bluetooth bulbs. Then, turn on the light switch. After a second, the bulb should light up by itself. Hit Allow on the next screen in order to let the Hue app discover your lights. After a brief moment, you can now control your lights directly from your phone. Do you have more than one light? Make sure your additional lights are screwed in and turned on. Hit Search for More, and then, when your phone and your bulb are connected, hit Pair to add the new bulb. Repeat the last two steps for any additional bulbs. Use the sliders to adjust brightness, change colors, and more. If you'd like to customize your space with presets like Relax or Energize, click on My Scenes and choose a preset to automatically apply the perfect mood. And that's it! Your Philips Hue lights are set up and ready to go. Check out TechHive.com for more on the latest in smart lighting and smart home gear.